How to make money with WeShare Abundance. I know there's a lot more to our program than this, but this is what will interest most of you initially. So how do you make money here? Well, it's very simple. You join, you verify your email, you complete your profile and set up your wallet so that we can pay you. Boom! You just made your first $2. It's that easy, and you can do it within minutes from now. And each day you log in, you'll make from 1 cent up to $5 just for logging into your back office based on your level of commitment. Boom! That can be as much as $155 a month just for logging into your account. You can also, of course, refer others and earn commissions on their purchases and their referrals purchases. We pay through 2 levels. This is totally optional. You don't need to do this to make money with our program. Now, with automatic upgrades, even for free members, this means that every referral, even starting as free members, can earn you as much as $10 a month. So if you refer 10 people, that's $100 a month. Refer 100 people, it's $1,000 a month. Refer 500 people, and that's $5,000 a month. Plus, we're going to give you a car bonus of $500 a month for that nice car you've always wanted. And because we pay through 2 levels, if your referrals duplicate you, so you refer 10 who each refer 10, that's $1,100 a month. If you refer 100 who refer 100 each, that's $101,000 a month. And if you refer 500 who refer 500 each, that's $2,505,000 a month. And that's hype. It's not going to happen. You know that, I know that, so let's look at what's realistic. Most of your referrals will not duplicate you, but you'll probably average. This is based on industry-wide statistics. You'll probably average 3 to 10 referrals from your team members. Some won't refer anyone, and some will refer hundreds or even thousands. But on average, let's suppose it's just 3 people. Very easy to achieve, and let's look at the low numbers so that they're probabilities rather than hype. If your average is 3 referrals each person that you refer, and you refer 10 who refer 3, that'll work out at $400 a month. If you refer 100 who refer 3, that'd be $4,000 a month. And if you refer 500 who refer 3, that's $20,000 a month, plus your $500 car bonus. And this is realistic, and remember, you don't have to refer paid members, because you can get people that come in as free, and they will automatically, through their income that they generate just through logging in and different things, will have sufficient cash to upgrade, and everybody will want to upgrade because it's better to be at the top level where you make more money, and you can do it from a free member. And once they get to that top elite level, that's when you start making $10 per person. A 5th way of making money is from random positioning in the pools that you join, and it can be very significant income. If you're in all 6, you have the chance of being paid from an additional 6 sources. Number 6 on the list. Read any of the messages you received and send as many messages as you're allowed. And sending your offers to our members can generate third-party income. If you send them a good offer, they're in here to make money. They see a good offer, they can join it, they'll be in your downline, you'll earn a commission. But importantly, full use of the system, that's reading your messages and sending out the messages you're entitled to send, will ensure that you're paid all rewards and commissions in full. Now, all the pre-mentioned rewards are active as soon as we launch, and we'll be adding more ways to make money very soon. We've got a lot in the pipeline. And these will include, but they're not limited to, rewards for each message you read, ranging from 1/4 cent as a free member to 16 cents per message as an elite member. That's a member of all 6 pools, and that will take you less than 10 seconds per message. We'll also be adding pay-per-click ads, and we'll have pay-per-view video ads as well. We've got a lot of unique things coming in the future that are all designed to make you more money. So we have something for everyone, whether you're passive or active, experienced or novice. All are welcome here, and all will prosper here. So I'll see you at the top. You can have a life of luxury with this program, whether you start free or whether you put your hand in your pocket for the maximum we ever accept from you, which is $125. Both will get you there. One will get you there faster. It's as simple as that.